on ʔaâm territory just outside of Powell River. It's in this old soccer clubhouse that community members are hard at work.
It helps provide just a safe space for people to come and just be around other people and sometimes enjoy a nice meal.
It's not talking about the issue of substance use or abuse or non-abuse or alcohol.
Yeah.
It's about sharing good things too, sharing traditional teaching, sharing cultural practices.
The program started with pop-up harm reduction tents in September 2020 when people were staying home due to COVID-19. The Made In and Made For ʔaâm program offers cultural programming, food, safe use supplies, drug checking services, healthcare referrals, and more. Kevin Blaney, who carved this paddle before he died, had a vision for this program. He was an advocate for improved harm reduction services for the nation, believing other options had failed.
He had many big ideas and was really putting his boots to the ground and had some very big hopes and dreams for harm reduction in ʔaâm.
The program has grown over the previous 4 years. They have become the first Indigenous community in Canada to use this, a spectrometer. The device works by shining infrared light at a drug sample to test its components. A trained technician can identify any toxic substances and decide if it's safe to consume or not. Courtney Harrop calls it a game changer and says testing has saved lives.
It's been pretty big, and ʔaâm, we've been very blessed over the last, I would say, probably 3 years in decreasing fatalities from substance use.
While the Island Health Authority does not have specific details on the ʔaâm community, according to BC coroner, deaths in the region have decreased. In 2023, 6 people died in the Powell River area from unregulated drug use, down almost half from the year before. Harrop makes a connection to the work the nation is doing.
That was a big game changer and really speaks to the value of having drug checking services in community, especially in rural and remote communities.
While they are seeing results, this dedicated group will continue their hard work well into the future. Claire Palmer, CBC News, ʔaâm.